Hey, what's up, guys? This video is like a sequel to my previous video on creating desktop apps using Angular 2 and Electron framework. So, if you had watched that video, and you would have obviously seen that I had used one of the beta versions, I think beta 17, I guess, to make that was the version of Angular which I used in that video, right? So many of our friends started asking me now that Angular version RC version has been released. How can we use that in our desktop app? They had obviously tried, and then several of them got errors as well. So what I thought was maybe I should update that using Angular RC version, and let you guys also know how to fix those errors and make it run. So this video is about that, and let's get started. First of all, I'll continue from where I left off. This is the app which we built last time, right? So I mean that last video, right? So I'll copy this URL, and then I have a folder here, desktop app folder I have created, that nothing is in there, and then I'll clone this here. Okay, this is done, and I have gone ahead and opened that in my VS Code editor, as you can see here. Now if you open package.json, you can see that we are using Angular 2 beta 17 here, right? So what if we needed to use the Angular 2 RC version? So to do that, I have some dependencies, all the Angular 2 RC version dependencies here, as you can see. I'll just copy that, and instead of this line here, I'll give that here. Okay, now you might wonder where I got all these dependencies from. I got these from the quick start application. I got this from the quick start application. As you can see, I'll open the package.json here, and you can see that here, right? Common compiler core HTTP and everything, and common compiler core. Okay, so this is one step, and what else you need to do is you need to have install the typings for this. So to install that, I'll first create a typings.json file so that I can give the configuration here, and once again back to quick start, I'll open the typings.json here, copy this, and then paste it here, save this file. Okay, now we have changed the package.json file and the typings.json file. Now go ahead and run first npm install. Okay, this is done. Now let's go ahead and install the typings. So I'll just give if you don't have typings, you should first install using npm install -g typings, and then use typings install. Okay, this is done as well. So coming back to the code, now if you see, we have a separate typings folder here, right? Okay, let it be there. Get into webpack config.js first, and change these to the new part, that is the @angular http @angular router @echo. Save this, and then get back into app.ts file here to change the references to @angular 2 core, and this will be @angular platform browser dynamic. Okay, dynamic. And then you can remove this, since we have installed the typings. We'll remove this. That was a reference path to the typings actually. Okay, now save this as well, and then come back to index.html. Go to index.html, sorry, and then remove this script line, since Angular 2 polyfills is no longer used in the RC version. Now Angular 2 polyfills was like a reference to zone.js and reflect metadata. So if you remove this, you need to add both in webpack, so that it will get referenced in the index.html. So reflect metadata is already there. I'll add zone.js. Okay, we'll just ensure whether it's there in package.js. Okay, it's installed. Okay, now this is also done. Go back to tsconfig.json, and instead of files here, you just give the exclude here. We'll just use exclude here, and we'll give all the files which we need to exclude. The files, giving files there will take that considerable file, I mean the specified file, and then apply this compiler option on it. But if you give exclude there and specify a set of files, excluding all those files, all the other remaining TypeScript files will be compiled. That's the purpose of exclude. If you use exclude and files in the same file, then files would be given much more preference than exclude. So yeah, that's why we are excluding these files here. And then we'll save this once again. Now all the changes I have made, I'll say one by one. App.ts, first of all, I have changed these two references and removed that typings reference. And index.html, I have removed that script reference to Angular 2 polyfills. And then in package.json, I removed that single Angular 2 dependency and added all these RC dependencies here. And then in tsconfig.json, I had removed the files option and added the exclude one. And then in typings.json, I added the global dependencies, which I had exactly copied from quickstart Angular 2 quickstart app. And in webpack.config.js, I had just added the zone.js thing to our configuration file, so that it will also get compiled and it will also get bundled and be referenced in that index.html. And then I have also changed the Angular references here also. Now let's go ahead and build this and see what happens. I'll just run npm run build. It goes fine, right? Okay, then just run npm start. Yeah, it works fine, right? Angular 2 app inside a desktop app. This was my original content inside app.ts, and it gets printed here, right? So this is how you reconfigure not reconfigure exactly. This is how you use Angular 2 RC inside a Electron app. Previously, as I said before, I had showed this how to use this using a beta version of Angular 2. Now that the RC version is released, I thought it would be more convenient if I just updated with a new video, so that people won't face any errors when trying to use people can easily fix the errors when trying to use the RC version rather than struggling to fix it. So yeah, that was the purpose of this video, guys. Hope this video helped you. If it helped you, then kindly share it with someone else and help them too. And also stay subscribed to my channel to watch more videos like this, and hit a thumbs up below if you like this video. So yeah, guys, that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. Talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.